The Vivo Meetings Learning Center provides convenient access to information about Vivo Meetings products and features.
Hey there, welcome to this video where I want to talk about breakout rooms. Now, what exactly are breakout rooms? Well, if you've ever been to a company meeting, a seminar, or any offline event, a lot of the times the speakers will present a topic and then they want people to brainstorm and discuss ideas. And they say, I'm going to break you into groups of 2 or 3 people. You're going to discuss this particular topic, and then you're going to come back and you're going to present your findings. Well, on Vivo Meetings, you can do exactly the same thing. So imagine you are doing a meeting and you've talked about a certain topic, and now you want to get ideas from people. You can actually break people into groups and put them into breakout rooms. Now, this may seem complicated, but we've made it so easy to do. So the first thing you have to do is you have to have somebody else on your call. So I'm just going to join on mobile. And here is my alter ego, Tom, who has just joined us. So to start the process, I click on Breakout, and I have the option to automatically assign how many breakout rooms there are, and the system says 2, or I can assign manually. Now, what I can actually do is I can assign up to 50 breakout rooms. So if I had 100 people, I could set up 50 breakout rooms, and then I could put 2 people into each breakout room. If I had 50 people, I could assign 25 rooms. So it's very, very flexible. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose assign automatically. I click on next. Now what I might decide to do is I might put myself as the administrator into room 2 and Tom into room 1. Then when I open all of the rooms, each person will see that there is a banner that appears that says you've been invited to join a breakout room, and you simply click on join. Now, as you can see, I'm in a breakout room by myself and Tom is in another breakout room. I can always click on return to main room if I want to leave the breakout room. But let's say Tom doesn't understand the task that he has to do, or the group Tom is in doesn't understand the task. They will see a button which says ask for help, and I can join that breakout room and see what Tom needs. Now that I know that everything is going well for Tom, I've returned to the main breakout room, and as the host of the meeting, if I click on breakout, I can actually visit any room that I wish. You'll see that it tells me here that I'm in room 2. Well, that's the room that I'm being assigned to. But what I could do is I could click on join to go round to each room to see how everybody's getting on. Okay, so now the time is up in the breakout rooms and I want to bring everybody back into the main room. So if I go to breakout, I can do close all rooms. And what's going to happen is a message comes up on screen, as you can see, that says all breakout rooms are closing in 58 seconds. And everybody who is in a breakout room will see the same message. Now we have about 3 seconds left till everybody comes back. And if I click my fingers, Tom appears back. And this is where we can now discuss exactly what everybody talked about. So that's breakout rooms. You can create up to 50 breakout rooms. You can have the system auto assign participants to those breakout rooms. Participants can always ask for help if they need help. And you, as the host of the meeting, can always visit any of the rooms, and you have control to close those rooms and bring everybody back to the main room. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. And when you do subscribe to YouTube, click on that little bell and you will be notified every time we upload a new video. I'll talk to you in the next video.